Hi there, welcome back to my HTML beginners friendly series. This is a part of my HTML series. Okay, so in this video we're going to create our first web page. Alright, so to begin, you first open your code editor, which is Visual Studio Code, and then we need to create our project folder. So I'll right click and then create my project folder, and I'll give it a name. So best website, like this, and then I will drag this folder to my code editor and then I'll drop it here. Next, we need to create our HTML file. So we click on new file and we name it index.html. Hit enter. Good. Now this is where we're going to be writing our code. Okay, but before that, go ahead and click on file and then click on auto save. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and write our bare bones structure of our HTML document. So to begin, you need your HTML version, so less than exclamation doc type. So go ahead and type doc type like this and then put HTML. After that, go down and put your overall container, which is HTML, and then we close it. Now this is going to serve as the overall container for our code. Okay, so leave some space and then go back there, and then we need our head tag. So open and put head and then close it, leave some space, and this is where we're going to enter our website title. Okay, so open and put title and then please close it. After that, we're going to enter our title here, so I'll put Solo's website like this. Good. Now let's test this page. Okay, so go back to desktop. Once you are there, open your project folder and you have one file inside, which is index.html. Please double click on it. The file is opened and here is it, but right now our body tag is empty. There's nothing inside the website. Okay, so I want to show you something here. Let me take you back to your code editor. You can see inside the head we have title. So this is the title of our website, Solomon's website. Let me take you back to the web browser and you can see this is where that is displayed. You can see Solomon's website. You can see, so the head tag is responsible for containing information about your website. You can see that, and anything you put in the head tag will never or will not be displayed here. All right, it can only be found here and not inside or on your web page. So let's go back there. Good. So the next thing we're going to do here is to come down beneath the head, the closing tag of head. Let's put body because we're going to write our body. Okay, so body. After you put body, please close it and then let's leave some space because we're going to be putting content there. So starting from the beginning of body, the opening of body, all the way to the closing of body, we're going to put content here, and any content you put here will be displayed on your or at the front end. Okay, so let's say this is my site. Now let's go back to the web page and then reload it. You can see this is my site. Okay, so that is it. Now let's go back there and start working with or working on our actual body. So the first thing I'm going to show you is to put a heading tag. Okay, so heading, which is heading 1, with inside heading 1 we want to put hello world. So hello world. Now let's go back to the web page and then reload it. You can see hello world is displayed at the front end. Now there's no need to save your changes, any changes you make here, because we enabled auto save. That's why we enabled this auto save. Right after you enable it, any changes you make will be automatically saved. Let's continue building the page. So next I'll put p tag, which stands for paragraph, like this. And because this is going to contain multiple lines of text, I'll leave some space and then put my text here. So I'll put this is my first paragraph. I have copied some text, so I'm going to paste that text there. Paste my text, and you can see part of your code is hidden. Okay, so to fix this problem, just go ahead and click on view and then click on word wrap. Fantastic. That's your paragraph. You can see that. Now let's go back to our browser and then reload this page. You can see this is your text and that's your paragraph. Okay, let's continue building the page. So we'll go outside this paragraph thing and then we need to put another head. Okay, so heading 1, let's close it, and this time let's say second heading. Let's go back to our web browser and then reload. You can see second heading. Let's come back there and write some paragraph. Okay, so to write paragraph, you simply put p tag, p, and then you close it. Let's leave some space because this paragraph is going to contain multiple line of text. So just paste your or type your text there. After that, go back to web browser and then reload. You can see this is your paragraph. Okay, so that is it. That's our first web page. Now let's go back there and I'll show you something. All right, so let's say you wanted to put some paragraph. Okay, paragraph inside this paragraph, and you leave some space like this, couple of times like this, and then you paste your paragraph there like this. Okay, let's go back to the web browser and see if that paragraph will reflect. So let's reload. You can see the empty space we left here did not reflect on the browser. Why? Because the web browser does not respect white space. Okay, this is your white space. Browsers don't respect that. The only language they understand is the p tag. Every web browser will treat this whole one paragraph. Okay, so in order to solve that problem, you need to put paragraph there. So you need to separate it by putting p tag there, by putting p tag here, and then you either leave some space and then copy that text and put it inside. Okay, so let me just cut it and then I'll put it inside here. Perfect. So this is the only language it understands. So you wrap around a p tag. Perfect. You can see now we have paragraph there. So you can put paragraphs inside paragraphs. Okay, it doesn't matter. So that is it. That's your first web page live. I'll see you in my next lecture where I'll be teaching you other important things related to HTML. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this video has been informative, go ahead and like it and subscribe to the channel. That way anytime I release my videos, you are notified.